Hi, my name is Lauren Anderson, and tonight I am going to show you how to make the best ice cream sundae. First, you have to pick out your bowl. So, my favorite one is this one, and so I'm going to use that for the ice cream sundae tonight. Next, you have to pick out your favorite ice cream. For me, I like to use vanilla because I think it then shows the other toppings flavors off better than any other fancier kind of ice cream. So I have natural vanilla from Breyers that I'll be using tonight. And you gotta get an ice cream scooper. And I do about like 2 or 3 scoops. Not too much, but just the right amount. So this is about how much I did. And then next, I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. My favorite are the semi-sweet morsels. That way they're not, the dark chocolate is a little too rich, and I like how this isn't. It just has my favorite flavor. So I'm going to sprinkle those on top. And then next, I am going to add some M&Ms. And with 4th of July coming up, we have some fun festive colors. And so I am going to sprinkle some of those on top as well. Make sure you get a good amount because M&Ms I think are the best part. And then after that, we have some brownies left over, and I think brownies go really well on ice cream sundaes. And so I'm going to break it and put it on the sundae so there's not too big of chunks. And then it mixes better together. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. And ice cream sundae is great for a summer snack. It's a fun little after dinner snack, and especially with it getting pretty hot, I think it's a really yummy treat to have. And then as the last topping, I use Hershey syrup. We have the dark chocolate kind and then just the genuine chocolate flavor. And my favorite is the genuine chocolate flavor. I think it's the best. The dark chocolate didn't really taste as well as this normally does. This tastes a little bit better to me, so I'm going to drizzle that on top. Not too much, but just the right amount so it covers it all. And then as you can see, that is the final product. And then this is perfect for your summer snack. And I hope you guys go and make an ice cream sundae sometime and have some fun using your own toppings. But these are my favorite that I like to use.